5-minute food review. I'm your host, Joe. I'm in Eagle Rock, California at the OiNKSTER. I'm gonna go inside and grab a pastrami sandwich. Maybe something else on the side. Well, we have our food. Let's take a look at it. I ordered a house-cured pastrami sandwich, and I ordered a side of chili cheese fries. It looks good. Of course, it's French fries, chili, and some cheese. Looks like they threw some green onions on there. Go ahead and I'm just gonna dive right on into here. That it's not bad. It's not the best chili in the world. Chili's all right. It's pretty good. I'd get these again. These are a thumbs up. Not bad. I'd get these again. They're pretty small for what you see here. But well, smaller than some places I've been to, but get the chili fries. I don't think you'd be too disappointed. They're all right. You know, if I was going to have to give it a 1 out of a 5, I'd give it maybe a 3.5. It doesn't have a wow factor to it. It's just like it's about average. Well, like I said, I did get a pastrami. That's the pastrami right there. Whoa. I don't know about you guys, I do like a good tasting pastrami. I've never been here and I've heard this place is really good. So, let's just try this piece right here. Not bad. I mean, it has that flavor that you get with some pastramis. That, of course, that cured meat taste or flavor. But well, it looks like you kind of have to construct it yourself by putting your own toppings on. Comes with some mustard. I would say that's mayonnaise, but I have a feeling it might be horseradish sauce. So let's take a dive into it. I'm not a fan of horseradish sauce. Or it might be a garlic sauce. I don't know. Yeah, almost like a garlic aioli maybe. I ain't putting that on my pastrami sandwich. I'm a mustard pickled person, and I don't have to pull my sandwich apart and put some mustard on it. Now that I got my, which looked like that spicy brown mustard, and I got it on there. And they don't put no pickles on there, but they definitely give you a pickle spear. Just like most dill pickles. It's tasty. Well, that first bite doesn't have the wow factor to me. It's okay. If I happen to be in the air and I was craving a pastrami, I'd probably stop and get another one. I'll more likely come back and try something else. But for the pastrami, just because it just seems ordinary, I'd give it a 3.5. But I will finish this half I'll let the wife have the other half. But it's okay. The only downside is that they didn't put the mustard on themselves, or there's no pickles inside. You got a pickle spear. I've always liked my pastrami with more of the yellow classic mustard, and with the pickles laid inside. This one's kind of do it yourself, but 3.5. I give it a little bit of a thumbs up. That's about it. Like I said, I'm going to finish it, but come on down to the OiNKSTER and try it for yourself. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment, share with your friends, oh, excuse me, and hit the bell for updates, and I'll catch you on the next 5-minute food review. Bye.